Now let us solve the question number 24, which says that f of xy is a function. I am writing f of xy, I think it's too hazy. F of xy is equal to x to the power 7 plus 100 x to the power 5 y square plus 200 x y to the power 6 plus 10 y to the power 7. Okay, this is our f of xy. Then we have to find x square d2f d2 dx2 sorry, x square del 2f del x2 plus 2xy del 2f del x del y and y square del 2f del y2. Okay, I am writing this. I have to find out x square del 2f del x2 plus 2xy del 2f del x del y plus y square del 2f del y2, right? I have to find out the value of this. Okay, to find the value of this, first of all we need to find the value of del f del x. So I am finding del f del x. So del f del x means we have to differentiate partially fxy with respect to x. Then if we differentiate partially with respect to x, I will get 7 x to the power 6 plus 500 y to the power 4 y x to the power 4 y square plus 200 y to the power 6. Okay, this is our fx or del f del x. What is the value of del f del y? Del f del y will be, I have to differentiate partially with respect to y. Then the first term will be 200 x to the power 5 y. The second term will be 6 into 200, so this is 1200 x y to the power 5 plus 10 into 7, it will be 70 y to the power 6, right? This is our del f del y. Okay, now we have to find the value of del 2f del x2. So del 2f del x2 is equal to, I have to differentiate del f del x with respect, we have to differentiate partially del f del x with respect to x again. Then I will get 7 into 6, that is 42 x to the power 5 plus 5 into 4, that is 200 2000 500 into 4 2000 x cube y square 6 into 2, so sorry, it will be 0. Yeah, so this is our del 2f del x2, right? So what is del 2f del f del x del y? Del 2f del y del x will be equal to, I have to differentiate partially del f del x with respect to y. Then I will get, so it will be 1000 x to the power 4 y, and it will be 1200 y to the power 5, right? And we have to find the value of del 2f del y2 also. Del 2f del y2. Del 2f del y2 means we have to differentiate del f del y with respect to y, partially with respect to y. Then I will get, this is 200 x to the power 5, and it will be 1200 into 5, so it will be 6000 x y to the power 4, and it will be 70 into 6, so it will be 420 y to the power 5. So we got the value of this, this and this. Now I have to find out the value of x square, so I have to find out the value of this. Okay, so I'm copying this and pasting here. Okay, so we just need to put the value of, so first of all we need to put the value of del 2f del x2. So the value of del 2f del x2 is 42 x to the power 5 plus 42 x to the power 5 plus 2000 x cube y square, 2000 x cube y square, 2xy. Then I need to find the value of del 2f del x del y. The value of del 2f del x y is this, so it will be 1000 x to the power 4y plus 1200 y to the power 5, right? Then I need to find the value of del 2f del y2. Del 2f del y2 is 200 x to the power 5 plus 6000 x y to the power 4 plus 420 y to the power 5. Okay, so it will be 42 x to the power 5, so 42 x to the power 7, and it will be 2000 x to the power 5 y, and it will be 2000 x to the power 5 y square, and it will be 2000 into 2, so 1200 into 2400 x y to the power 6, right? And it will be 200 x to the power 5 y square, it will be 6000 x y to the power 6 plus, and it will be 420 y to the power 7. Okay, so 42 x to the power 7, you can see this is x to the, so 2000 in plus 1200, 2000 plus 200, so 2200 y to x to the power 5 y square. Oh, there is again another x to the power 5 y square, so it will be 4200, right? So it will be 4200 x to the power 5 y square, and this it will be 3000, sorry, it will be 8400, it will be 8400 x y to the power 6, and it will be 420 y to the power 7. Okay, now let us see the options. So first of all I need to copy it, so that I am pasting it here. Now tally the answer. 42 x to the power 7, 4200 x to the power 5 y square, 8400 x y to the power 6 plus 420 y to the power 7. So option A is our correct option, right? So that's all about the question number 24. Now let us solve the question number 25.